gonna be replacing this part of the armrest. I bought this one from Amazon. I think it was like 34 bucks. So we'll see how it goes. The width seems to be the same. Okay, so there's two. Okay, disconnected. This one and two. Okay, este. Ahí güey. Esto así. Para ti. Ay, ay, ay. Back to the old one. This one, it's a waste of money and time. Unless I can replace this thing. So I'm gonna remove this thing. Thing is not coming off. There you go. That's from Philips. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, so let's see. Like I said, I'm gonna try to fit the original latch into the replacement from Amazon, and then see if it works better. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use the original screws. Just going in. That's two. Okay, so the problem that I was having with the Amazon one, the latch is pretty cheap and it wasn't latching. So what I did, I just took the original latch from this one, from the old one, and put it into the Amazon, and then see if that works. So it's already installed. Let me just try it out. It seems to be working. Much better.